Gama noon, dear CS family. Welcome to our virtual food fest. I'm your Bhavya ma'am. I would like to take the privilege to conduct this online food fest 21-22. It is a mark of undying tradition to invoke the Almighty at the beginning of an important event. Like the great philosopher once said, the function of prayers is not to influence God, but rather to change the nature of one who prays. I would like to call Miss Rohini for prayer song. Children, join your hands and close your eyes.
This little guiding light of mine, I'm going to let it shine. This little guiding light of mine, I'm going to let it shine. This little guiding light of mine, I'm going to let it shine all the time, let it shine. Hide it under the bush, oh no, I'm going to let it shine. Hide it under the bush, oh no, I'm going to let it shine. Hide it under the bush, oh no, I'm going to let it shine all the time, let it shine.
Thank you, Rohini ma'am. We all feel blessed indeed. Now, I would like to call Sister Manasa to formally welcome the gathering.
India is a land of many cultures. Have you heard about the caption called The Incredible India? Yes, our motherland is so amazing that it caters diverse cultures and gives us different tastes to the tongues. Unity in diversity is the main attraction of India by many of the foreign countries. Do you know that India is also a federal union where almost all of its states carry different languages and different cultural identities? Each and everything in a state reveals the identity of that particular state. Food is considered as a good indicator, and it is the taste of the people who are living with it. Food is closely related to the life of people and evokes the memory of our state and home when we are abroad. Now, it's our time to get acquainted with different states and tasty food items. It is my great pleasure to welcome each and every one of you to this food fest organized by Christ Kindergarten. First of all, I am glad to welcome our principal, Reverend Father Dr. Rajesh George CMI. It's a great blessing that we have your personality with us. With great love and gratitude, I welcome you, Father, to this gathering. Now, I would like to welcome our Vice Principal, Reverend Father Ebin K. Tomi Kalarakel CMI. It is your sense of commitment which creates apt platform for us to grow. I extend a warm welcome to you, Reverend Father Ebin, to this food fest. It's my great pleasure to welcome wholeheartedly all of you, especially those who are introducing different tastes. It's our crisp buds and blooms who are with us by their different taste. Let us congratulate them for their great efforts and hard work and wish them all the best. I'm glad to welcome all our dear parents who are very supportive. Welcome, dear parents. It's time to welcome our teachers to this joyful and memorable gathering. I wish all of you to have a good, tasty, and memorable time along with the fond memories of our native land. Once again, I welcome all of you to enjoy and make this a memorable day. Let's enjoy our food fest and feel proud to be an Indian. Thank you.
Thank you, sister, for your earnest welcome address. We also welcome you, sister. Children, shall we see one video now? All are ready? All are excited? Yes, now I'm going to show one video. Okay, I request everyone to mute and I'm going to show the video now.
Children, are you excited about our food fest? Yes, I know about my kids. We are all fond of different variety, special and delicious food. Hey kids, today is a day we can enjoy many types of food with your friends and teachers through this virtual food fest. Before that, Ma'am is going to share something special about our Indian culture, tradition, tourist places, and so on. For better understanding, India can be divided into North, South, East, and West region. The culture heritage of North India like Jammu and Kashmir, we feel very cold. Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh, Chandigarh, Delhi. In Delhi, we can see Lotus Temple, India Gate and Taj Mahal, which is very beautiful. Haryana and Punjab. Children, in North India, generally people will wear salwar kameez, sari, gagra choli, dhoti kurta, pajamas, topi and many more. Children, do you know the kind of food is prepared in North India? Yes, it's roti, chapati, lassi, dal makhani, chole, halwa, kheer and so many dishes. Wow, so delicious, right? Now we will see about South Indian special, which is famous for its arts, wooden crafts, ಸ್ಟೋನ್ ಕಾರ್ವಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ಕಲ್ಲಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆತ್ತನೆ ಮಾಡೋದು. ನಮ್ಮೂರಲ್ಲಿ ದೇವ್ರುಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಕಲ್ಲಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆತ್ತನೆ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ವಾ, ನೆನಪಿದ್ಯಾ? ಅದನ್ನೇ ಸ್ಟೋನ್ ಕಾರ್ವಿಂಗ್. ಮೆಟಲ್ ವೇರ್, ಪೇಂಟಿಂಗ್, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅವರ್ ಫೇವ್ರೆಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್. ಪೋಟ್ರಿ, ಡು ಯು ನೋ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಪೋಟ್ರಿ? ಎಸ್, ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಣ್ಣಿನ ಮಡಿಕೆ, ನಾನು ಇದನ್ನು ಜೈನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಇಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದು. ಈವನ್ ಸಿ ಬುಡ್ಗೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಕಾಸು ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅಪ್ಪ ಅಮ್ಮನಿಗೆ ಕೂಡಿಟ್ಟು ಕೊಡೋಣ, ಓಕೆನಾ? ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಲೂಮ್, bamboo work and embroidery. Amazing, right? Usually the South Indians wear traditional dresses like sari, chudi, lungi, white dhoti, kache panche, davani, and also South Indian will celebrate many festivals like Dasara, Mysuru Dasara, Yeshtandu Sundara, Chellide Nageya Pannira, Yellellu Nageya Pannira. What a beautiful song. Deepavali. ದೀಪದಿಂದ ದೀಪವ ಹಚ್ಚಬೇಕು ಮಾನವ, ಪ್ರೀತಿಯಿಂದ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಹಂಚಿರೋ. This is also very beautiful. It's my favorite song. Wow, what a beautiful song. No, did you all enjoyed it? Now shall we see what are the other festivals they are going to celebrate it? Yes, it's Hampi, Yugadi, Onam, Sankranti and many more. I feel like dancing with all these festivals around us. What a celebration mood. During these festivals time, they will prepare variety of foods like seafood, curry, pickle, pongal, oda, obbatu, red rice, savories, desserts and many more delicious dishes. Can't wait for the next festival to enjoy all these delicious foods, right? Do you know the next festival which is going to come? Yes, it's Ganesha Chaturthi. There we can eat laddu kadabu. Laddu gotta Ganeshan girtaralva? Ade. Now shall we see about eastern part of India? Yes, there people will speak many languages like Bhojpuri, Maithil, Odisha. My dear birds and blooms, do you like the dances and dances? Yes, then we must go to eastern part of India. If we go there, we can see many dance forms like Odissi, Mahari, Gumuru, Sambalpuri. Here they will prepare variety of foods. Gobi manchuri, it is our favorite, no? Yes, Misti Doi, Bihari kebab, Sandesh, Pitta, Rasmalai and Rasgulla. This is very sweet, right? Bayal neeru urta idya, amele tinana. Yes, tempting so much. These are all the very delicious foods. See how amazing tasty foods they will serve, no? We all will go one day to taste all this delicious and wonderful food. Now, it's time to know about our western part of India. Here the culture is very beautiful, like Hindu Vedic, Maharati Empire and Turkey. If we go to western part of India, we can taste spicy and delicious dishes like pav bhaji, vada pav, mutai, aloo chai odai, bel puri. Bel puri is very famous, right? Yeah. Modak, Ganesh Habbakke ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Channa masala. Children, have you all tasted these variety of foods? I rarely get to taste these foods. Okay, we will see all these festivals one day. Okay, then we can eat all this delicious and mouth watering foods. Yes, children, do you have seen what is Deepavali? Yes, Deepavali, I said the song, no? Yes, we will see. After this, Ganesha Chaturthi, Deepavali is also going to come. Yes, now we all will visit one day to all the states and will taste all this delicious and mouth-watering foods. Okay, yes. Children, now shall we see one song about food? All are ready? Yes, now we will go for the song.
వింతైన వంటకంబు వియాలవార వింతు ఆహాహాహాహా. Wow, what an amazing song, right? With all this delicious food. Children, we have seen today how incredible our India with so many varieties of dance forms, culture, music, famous places, and delicious food. Did you all enjoy? Yes means show your thumbs up, all of you. Yes, very good. My dear kids, it's time to enjoy the variety of foods by watching and listening to your friends. Shall we all start? All are ready? Yes. Hip hip. Here we go. Over to you, Nisha ma'am.
जय भारत जननीय तनु जाते, जय हे कर्नाटक माते. Yes, children, as we are proud to be a Kannadika, now my children will know more about Karnataka through the following video. Are you ready? Let's start our journey to Karnataka.
Karnataka is a beautiful state in India towards southwest. The capital of Karnataka is Bengaluru. State animal is Indian elephant. State bird is Indian roller. State flower is lotus. State tree is sandalwood. State language is Kannada. Karnataka state was formed on 1st November 1956. We celebrate that day as Kannada Rajyotsava every year. Karnataka is famous for its natural, cultural, architectural heritage, wildlife, national parks, and tourist places like Mysore Palace, Hampi, Jog Falls, Malpe Beach, many more. Not only this, it is famous for Carnatic music and dance performance Bharatanatyam. Folk art is Yakshagana. Many festivals are also celebrated in Karnataka, like Nada Habba Dasara, Yugadi, Sankranti, so on. For these festivals, they prepare many sweets and delicious food like Mysore Pak, Mudde Soppu Saru, Neer Dose, Bisibelebath, Kosambari, Obbattu, Mysore Masala Dose, Chauchau Bath, Jolad Roti, so on. Many songs tells us about the culture of Karnataka, and here is one among them.
ಕಲಿಯೋಕೆ ಕೋಟಿ ಭಾಷೆ ಆಡೋಕೆ ಒಂದೇ ಭಾಷೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ಕಸ್ತೂರಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ಹುಟ್ಟಿದರೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ನಾಡು ಹುಟ್ಟಬೇಕು ಮೆಟ್ಟಿದರೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ಮನ ಮೆಟ್ಟಬೇಕು ಜಟಕ ಬಂಡಿ ಇದು ವಿಧಿಯೋಡಿಸುವ ಬಂಡಿ ಬದುಕಿದು ಜಟಕ ಬಂಡಿ ವಿಧಿ ಗುರಿ ತೋರಿಸುವ ಬಂಡಿ.
Wow, what a beautiful song. Is it, children? ಹೌದು, ಹುಟ್ಟಿದರೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ನಾಡಲ್ಲಿ ಹುಟ್ಟಬೇಕು. Because Karnataka is a land of colorful tradition. Each and every day is festival in this land of sandalwoods. That's why it is called Gandhada Gudi. In the same way, we can taste delicious food items. Here, our CIS kindergarten LKG A children are going to take you to the land of tasty food with their tiny efforts and explanation. Let's enjoy their food in virtual mode. As soon we get over from this pandemic time, sure we will enjoy these dishes on our dining table. So let's start our yummy dhamaka. Alright. Bishi bishi masala dosa by Honasari.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Onu Siri. I am in LKG section. I am going to masala dosa is my favorite food. It is South Indian food. It is made with rice batter. It is very tasty to eat and with coconut chutney and potato palya. Thank you.
Very good masala dosa. Nice, very beautiful. Okay, shall I call? Gama Gama Pulao by Hita. Oh, taste ಆಗಿದೆ ಅದಮ್ಮ, ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. Okay, tasty ಆಗಿದೆ. Now I am going to call Yellow Lemon Rice by Ganavi.
Good afternoon. My name is Ganavi. I am going to prepare lemon rice. Lettuce, capsicum, lemon, onions, coriander, grapes, it will be. Thank you.
Super. Even I also say super. Tumba khara ide. Menshinkai tinbitte. No problem. Okay. Now I am going to call Round Round Ragi Ball by Kuldeep.
Hi everyone, my name is Kuldeep Gaurapti. My favorite food is Ragi Ball. It is also known as rice. It is made up of single flour. As food, my mother makes different tasty ragi bars and spicy curry. Ragi bar. Thank you.
Thank you, Kuldeep. Shall we play cricket with the Ragi Ball?
Ragi ball.
We can't play. It is heating. Okay. So now I am going to call Gari Gari Obbatu by Geeta.
Good afternoon, respected teachers. My name is Geeta. LKG A is in Mangalore and
Thank you, Geetak. ನನಗೆ ತುಪ್ಪದ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಬೇಕು ಒಬ್ಬಟ್ಟು. Okay. Now I am going to call Circle Circle Chapati by Pushkara Naidu. Pushkara Naidu. Now ma'am is going to call Billy Billy Idli by Darshita.
Hello everyone. My name is Darshita. My favorite food is idli and chutney. It is a famous South Indian food. It is a healthy food. Thank you.
Thank you, Darshita. I need only one idli. It's enough for me. Okay. Now ma'am is going to call Chatpat Wangi Baat by Rishik Vihan.
Good afternoon. My name is Shikrikan. My with this Wangi Baat is from Karnataka. My name is Bintan. What the best? Cook it in the ram. Wangi Baat Poda. Wangi Baat Poda. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome, dear Rishik Vihan. Now ma'am is going to call Garam Muram Ragi Roti by Tilak Vishwakarma.
My topic is Ragi Roti. Ragi Roti is my favorite food.
ಆಮೇಲೆ
Ragi food.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome, Tilak Vishwakarma.
Wow, children, did you all enjoy seeing our sister state Karnataka? Yes. Come, let's go to Tamil Nadu. Vanga vanga, Tamil Nadu ku pogalam. Vanakkam. Tamil Nadu is most important state in India with its unique culture. The language spoken is Tamil. Madurai Meenakshi Temple is in India with high Gopuram towers. The town of Kanyakumari is the southernmost tip. It is very famous for sunrise and sunset points. There are many beautiful places to see. Children, are you all ready to watch the video to know more about Tamil Nadu?
Tamil Nadu is the state of southern India. Chennai is the capital city. Tamil Nadu is famous over the world for its ancient temple built by the Chera, Chola, Pandya and the Pallavas with beautiful sculptures. It is known for its temples, architecture, sandy beaches, calm hill stations, classical dance, varieties of food and so on. It is a state with third largest coastline. It has many beaches and waterfalls. Bharatanatyam is a famous dance performance of Tamil Nadu. Sari is the traditional dress for women. Kanchipuram Pattu Sari is the ethnic wear for ladies for all special occasions. Pattu Veshti and shirt is the traditional attire for men during special occasions. Harvesting is the time for celebration. Pongal is the most famous festival in Tamil Nadu. People celebrate this festival by paying gratitude to the sun god and farmers for helping with agriculture. Jallikattu is the custom practiced where cattle are worshipped during the Pongal festival. Jallikattu is a platform for display of bravery. Deepavali is also celebrated in a grand manner by preparing delicious dishes and enjoying ourselves by lighting diyas and bursting crackers. Tamil Nadu is also famous for varieties of food like idli, dosa, vadai, pongal, adai, and various types of sweets like sweet pongal, palkova, Kozhakattai, and many more. Now, let's see an exciting video of Jallikattu.
Oh, takkarana video, illa? Did you all see, children, how the cow was running here and there? Wow, it was very terrific to see. Now, our LKGB kids will take us to mouth-watering dishes of Tamil Nadu. Let's go and enjoy. Here we go. Zoom. Jil Jil, Jigardanda and Uttapam by Navya.
It's some from Sivagasi. Asma. Hello everyone. My name is Navya. I'm studying LKGB section. Uttapam is my favorite food. Healthy food. It's very healthy food. Vegetable, carrot, chili, onion, tomato. It is very tasty
And colorful.
colorful. Jigger than a stuffed drink. Famous in Madurai. Jigger means hot. Tanda means cold. Yummy, yummy. Thank you.
Thank you, Navya. Malligai Idli and coconut chutney by Gana Priya.
Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Ganapriya, LKG B section. I am taking it out. Idli and coconut chutney. Special dish of Tamil Nadu. So soft, tasty. Elder soft. I like idli. Idli. Chilam for idli. Our embodying our. Thank you, ma'am.
Gundu Gundu Meduvadai by Haripriya.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Hi, everyone. My name is Adya. I'm studying in LKGB, Christ International School. I will tell Medu Vada. This is Medu Vada. It is also known as Uddina Vada, Minapada in Telugu. It is known as made with urad dal and protein. It is prepared all occasions. Thank you.
Suda Suda Rasam and Rice by Charvika. Charvika. Inipu Inipu Parpu Payasam by Samarth.
Hi everyone, my name is Samarth. I'm present in school. I'm LKG section and Parpu Payasam today. This is Parpu Paisa. It is so yummy and tasty. Tasty and yummy. This is Melissa so good. This is
Good for health.
good for health. Melody. This is Tamil Nadu dessert. Thank you.
Kara Kara Venpongal by Jashan.
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Jashan. LKG Jackson. Venpongal. Venpongal is Indian dish. Venpongal. Made with bran, manga, cumin, pepper, ginger, and curry leaf. It is good for cough and cold. It is very tasty. It is famous for Tamil Nadu. I like to eat Venpongal. Thank you, ma'am.
Nandri, Tamil Nadu. Let's sail in a ship and board it at Visakhapatnam. Andarakku vanakkam. Andarakku namaskaram. Bhale 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 bahubali. Bhale 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 bahubali. Children, shall we now have a look at the Andhra Pradesh? Are you ready to watch the video? Let's see and enjoy.
Andhra Pradesh, also known as Andhra or Andhra Rashtra, is a state in the southeastern coastal region of India. Andhra Pradesh was formed on 1st November 1956. The state's natural attractions include the beaches of Visakhapatnam, hill stations such as the Araku Valley and Housley Hills, and island of Konasima in the Godavari River Delta. Present capital is Amaravati. People in Andhra Pradesh called as Andhrulu or Telugu Varu. Its official language is Telugu. It is also known as the Rice Bowl of India for being a major producer of rice in India. State song is Ma Telugu Tallaki. State bird is parrot. State mammal is black buck. State emblem Purnaghattam. State game Kabaddi. State fruit mango. State flower jasmine. State tree neem. State fish mudfish. State dance Kuchipudi. Andhra Pradesh celebrates grand festival like Tirupati Tirumala Brahmotsava, Makara Sankranti, Ramanavami, and Yugadi as Telugu New Year in Andhra Pradesh. Famous tourist places in Andhra Pradesh: Venkateshwara Temple, Golden Temple, Srikalahasti, and Lepakshi. Traditional food of Andhra Pradesh: Vankaya Kura, Pulihora, Peraratu, Sambar, Ulavacharu, Gongura Pachadi. Lots of varieties ranging from sour and sweet, hot and spicy.
Oh, so spicy. Chilli. Let me drink water. Children, wow, what a wonderful video was that. Everyone, of us had a great time watching it. The people of Andhra are marvelous, very entertainment, and also very interesting. Andhra is famous for its arts, craft, and painting, and handcraft, and handloom, and huge varieties of designs blended in different kinds of colors. The traditional food of Andhra Pradesh is pulihora, that is tamarind rice, papadam, sambar, rasam, payasam, gunguru pickle, ambadi, lots of variety ranging from sour to sweet, hot and spicy. Now, our UKG A kids will share the delicious dishes of Andhra Pradesh. Now, I am going to call Rural Potorikulu by Sri Vaishnavi Reddy. Sri Vaishnavi Reddy.
Hello everyone, my name is Sri Vaishnavi. Today I am going to talk about Andhra's special sweet called Pootareklu. Pootareklu is originally from the village called Atreyapuram in East Godavari district in Andhra Pradesh. Pootareklu is very famous in two Telugu states. Puta means coating and Reku means sheet. It is a paper thin dessert made from rice starch. The particular kind of rice called Jaya is used for this recipe. To make a thin sheet, a hot pot is prepared. The hot pot is reversed with a flame under it. A thin cloth dipped in the batter would be put on the pot and be dragged. Then a thin sheet forms. We wrap the sheet with sugar and coat it with ghee. Pootareklu can be stuffed with different fillings like fine powdered sugar, jaggery, dry fruits, nuts, and chocolate powder. The melt-and-mouth Pootareklu is gaining recognition nationally of its signature looks and taste. Thank you.
Welcome, dear. Manchi Vasana Vastandi. Wow! Hyderabadi Ghama Ghama Biryani. Now I am going to call Muhammad Rayan.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Muhammad Rayan. I am studying in UKG section. My dish name is Hyderabadi Biryani. Hyderabadi Biryani is one of the most popular dishes in South India. The blending of Mughlai and Andhra cuisines. It is very tasty to eat. Thank you.
Welcome, dear. So, khara gunguru chutney. Now I am going to call Mahitsai.
Good afternoon, Food and teachers. Myself, today I am going to say about gongur chutney, which is very famous in Andhra. Gongur is an excellent source of vitamin B6. It is very famous in Andhra. Gongur is an excellent source of vitamin B6. It has a rich source of iron, calcium and zinc. It is very tasty with chapati. Thank you.
Welcome, dear. Oh, busy, hot idli and coconut chutney. by Niharika.
Good afternoon, Father and dear teachers. I am Niharika from UKG. Yes, today I am here to say about idli and coconut chutney, which is famous in Andhra. It is made with rice flour. It is very tasty to eat with coconut chutney as a breakfast. Never waste the food. Thank you.
Punit Aramgowda, please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Sema.
Good afternoon, dear father, teachers, and all my dear friends. I am Pudit Aramgowda. I am studying in UKG section in Christ International School. Today I am going to introduce Gongura paneer curry with naan. Gongura leaf and paneer has high level protein, vitamins, minerals, and etc. This reduce severity of contained diseases. For example, breast cancer, BP, sugar, and etc. Some people use it for weight loss. Vegetarians and non-vegetarians can eat Gongura paneer curry. It is a combination of dosa, rice, and etc. Thank you, ma'am, for giving this opportunity.
Welcome, dear. Appu Pappu Rice and Pappu Sambar by Bhavat Krishna.
Good afternoon, respected teachers and my dear friends. My name is Bhavat Krishna. I am studying in UKGA. This is Menti Karu Pappu recipe. Lentils and fenugreek is used in this recipe. Lentils have vitamins and minerals to the diet, whereas fenugreek fights cholesterol and diabetes. It is good for health. You can have 2 to 3 times in a week. This simple pappu can be served with plain rice and tea. Thank you.
Welcome, dear. Chinna Chinna Gutti Vankaya Kuri by Devishri Vaishnavi.
Good morning, Father and my dear respected teachers and my friends. I am Devishri Vaishnavi, UKGA. Today I would like to introduce delicious and rustic Gutti Vankaya curry. It is much spicy and tasty with chapati, dosa, and rice. Brinjal is a main vegetable for making this dish. It helps to improve the digestion and it's very good for our art. Thank you.
Welcome, dear. Pulapu Pulapu Pulihora by Jagat.
Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Jagat. I am studying in UKG section. Two days I am telling about Pulihora. Pulihora is traditional food of Andhra Pradesh. Pulihora is sour in taste and this is easily cooked. We South Indians as serve Pulihora to serve pulihora to God as Nevedyam. This is my favorite dish. Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome, dear. Pachi Pachi Pesarittu with Alam Pachadi by Prakriti M. Acharya.
Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon, teachers and my dear friends. I am Prakriti from KGA section. My dish name is Pesarattu with Allam Pachadi. Pesra means moong dal. Attu means dosa. Pesarattu is served with Allam Pachadi, means ginger chutney. The use of starch moong dal is a great source of protein, vitamins, and dietary fiber. Pesarattu is served with allam pachadi, means ginger chutney. The pesarattu is very healthy breakfast, often for people with diabetes, high cholesterol, and high blood pressure. Thank you.
Welcome, dear. Era Era Tomato Chutney with Dosa by Rutvik and Goda.
Good morning, Father and my dear. Respected teacher and friends, I am Rutvik. I am studying in UKG. Today I am going to introduce Andhra style dosa with tomato chutney. Very tasty and healthy for our diet. Very easy for making. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, my dear children.
Children, did you got know about Andhra Pradesh? Have you heard Bahubali's song? Yes, it is very famous song, right, children? Now come to Maharashtra. Ram Ram Bacho. Dear children, have you heard about Maharashtra? It is an Indian state that is situated in western part of central India. Are you ready to watch the video? Yes.
What a energetic song, no children? This is a famous festival in Maharashtra. Now, children, ma'am is going to say about Maharashtra. Are you ready, kids? Maharashtra is a famous state of India. Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. Chhatrapati Shivaji was a great ruler and founder of Maratha dynasty. The language is used here, Marathi. The famous festivals are Gudi Padwa, Diwali, Ranga Panchami, Ganesha Chaturthi, Makar Sankranti. The famous tourist attraction place Gateway of India, Murud Jinjara Fort, then Elephant Island. The major dance form here Vasudev dance, Lavani dance. The traditional music is Nangari Gaja. The most famous costume worn in Maharashtra, Patani sari for women, dhoti and beta for men. The kind of famous food is prepared in Maharashtra, Puran Poli, Vada Pav, Bakri, Mishal Pav, Talipit and so on.
Wow, what a delicious food. Kai katlas Sonu? Did you understand that? You might ask me what it means. These are Marathi words, which means, what are you doing? Okay, children, now our pretty little UKGB children are going to explain about the Maharashtra dishes. Are you ready to watch? Come, children. Now, Vasu. Kadambari Vadai. Ganavi Krishnamurthy.
My name is Anand Krishnamurthy. I am studying UKGB section. My recipe is Kottambari Vada. It is one of the Maharashtra food. It is prepared by Kottambari Vada. Thank you. Bye.
Oh, ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಮ್ಮ. ಓಕೆ, ಮನೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಕಳ್ಸಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ಗೂ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ದೆನ್ ಚಾನ್ ಪತಾನಿ, ಮಿಶಾಲ್ ಪಾವ್, ಮಹಿತ್ ರೆಡ್ಡಿ.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Mahit.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Mahit Reddy, UKGB section. I'm going to tell about Maharashtra food, Misal Pav. Welcome to Food Fest. Misal Pav is a famous dish of Maharashtra. It is 100 years old street food in Maharashtra. It is prepared for prawns, tomato, onion. I like to eat misal pav, spicy gravy dish. Misal meaning of mixture. I like to eat misal pav. Thank you.
Very good, sir. Then next, garam chapati and potato sagu. Sita.
Sita? Sita? Maybe network issue, Sita. Can you unmute, Sita?
Kara, vada pav, Vamshi Reddy.
Good morning. Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Vamshi Krishna, UKGB section. I welcome to Vada Pav. Vada Pav, one of favorite food Maharashtra. It is one vegetarian fast food. It is my favorite food. It is my served in all restaurants. Thank you.
Sita, are you there? We cannot hear, ma. Sita, we cannot hear. Okay, you can go next.
Good. Srikanth, Aradhya.
Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Aradhya. My dish name is Shrikand. Shrikand is a Maharashtra sweet dish made of yogurt. Good afternoon. My name is Aradhya. My dish name is Shrikand. Shrikand is a Maharashtra sweet dish made made of yogurt. It can be made in many flavors. It is usually eaten with food. It is also famous in Gujarat. It is very healthy. It gives a lot of protein. I love Srikhand. Thank you. Thank you,
Good.
ma'am.
Welcome, ma. Then Gol. Sabuna Kichidi. Darshanaditya.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, friends. My name is Darshanaditya. I am in UKG. My recipe is Sabudana Khichdi. 1 plate oil. And oil and 2 minutes. And salt and potato and salt and chili salt and roasted peanut and green chili, coriander leaves and curry leaves. Roasted. Roasted. And roasted peanut and Sabudana Khichdi. Yummy. Yummy, delicious. And delicious.
Sita, Sita, are you ready now? You have to unmute Sita, or else we cannot hear.
Sorry.
Sita, we cannot hear.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, friends. My name is Darshanaditya. I am in KG. CD. Oil.
Kansia ma'am, it's over to you.
You all got to know about 4 states? Yes, that is Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh and Maharashtra. भाइयों और बहनों, आज का दिन बहुत अच्छा है, तो आओ चलो दिल्ली की सैर करें। क्या तैयार हैं? Yes, हाँ. Now let us fly high in the sky and land our Zoom flight, capital of India. That is none other than Delhi. Delhi is situated in North India. Children, do you know one more thing? Our president and prime minister live in Delhi. Now let us watch an eye-catching video to know more about Delhi.
Delhi state has a number of cultural heritage sites such as Red Fort, India Gate, Lotus Temple, Qutub Minar, Jamia Masjid. There are also a beautiful parks like Zoological National Park, Sultanpur Bird Sanctuary, Deer Park. Delhi is a state where all the festivals are celebrated grandly, but the most popular festivals are Holi and Diwali. The most of the women in Delhi wear salwar kameez, ghagra choli, and men's wear kurta pajama. The people of Delhi also love for food, which can take you from small unknown streets to well known restaurants. But there are some popular dishes in Delhi that are found everywhere like pani puri, dahi puri, chole bhature, parathas, butter chicken, kebab and rolls, kulfi, biryani, and many more. Now, here is the song of celebrating colorful Holi.
Wow, children, did you all enjoy the video? Yes, we got to know many things, right? Delhi is a state which has many buildings that were built in ancient time. Now, our capital city is also known as Dilwalonki Delhi. It's not only famous because of people and their lifestyle, but also for their coolest festivals that happens throughout the year. Most popular language spoken in Delhi is Hindi. Now, our C-section children will take us to delicious platform of food prepared in Delhi. Come on, let's enjoy the dishes.
Ma'am, Sahana B section, ma'am.
Khatti Mithi Pani Puri by Kriti. Kriti? Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, teachers. My name is Kriti. I am studying in UKG C section. Today I have prepared that is Pani Puri. It is a combination of sweet, spicy, and salty flavors, which is loved by everyone. I love to eat Pani Puri with my family. Thank you.
Wow, it was a delicious. Even I love it more, Kriti. It was a superb khatti mithi pani puri. Now the next one is sabziyon se bhara hua swasth sandwich by Purvita.
Good afternoon, Father, my teachers, my friends. Hi, foodies. Welcome to Purvita's Kitchen. I'm going to do Delhi famous aloo sandwich. Delhi is capital of India. Let's start. Take two bread pieces, a plain red chutney, one chutney, aloo chaat masala, capsicum, onions, and close up it. Roast it. Tasty aloo sandwich. Have a nice day. Thank you.
Wow, it was a superb, nice, delicious dish. Wow. The next one is Arnavi, which is going to present Chatpata Aloo Ka Chaat. Come on, Arnavi.
Good morning, everyone.
Good afternoon.
My name is Arnavi. UKG C section. Today I'm going to tell about chat. I love it. It is famous in Delhi. I also love it. It will be tasty. Now I'm going to start. Boil potatoes and tomatoes and onion and lemon and salt and mix it with chaat masala and salt and pomegranate lemon mix well. Decorate with coriander leaves. Wow, aloo chaat is ready. Thank you. Bye bye.
Very good. Bye bye. It was superb. It was like a rocking, coloring. Everything was there. Fine. The next one is Garam Garam Samosa by Ashwin Gowda. Ashwin Gowda.
My name is Ashwin Gowda. Today I am preparing Delhi famous samosa. Samosa is very tasty and healthy. I am preparing yummy samosa for all of you. Kindly enjoy. Thank you all.
Very nice. It was a very hot and yummy samosa. Next is Rang Birangi Jalebi by Satyashri.
Good afternoon, father, teacher, and friends. My name is Satyashri UKG C section. Today, I am going to introduce jalebi, Delhi jalebi, and jalebi. It looks like wheel shape, orange in color. Jalebi is very scrubby and tasty sweet. I like so much. Thank you.
Very good, Satyashri. It was a nice and colorful jalebi. Okay, baby. It was very nice. Superb. Colored jalebi. Next is a Naram Naram Veg Momos by Prarthana. Veg Momos by Prarthana.
Yes, very good, children. I hope everyone has enjoyed this virtual food fest. Now, I would like to call Miss Muthulakshmi, our KG coordinator, to deliver the vote of thanks.
And cherished afternoon to our most valued honorable principal, vice principal, qualified teachers, parents, buds and blooms. It is my privilege to propose a vote of thanks and acknowledge the contribution of those who work hard to make this Food Fest celebration. On behalf of our Christ Kindergarten, I would like to give my sincere thanks to Almighty God for making today's event a grand success. By His blessings and grace, we were able to make the event what it was. A special word of thanks to our venerable principal, Reverend Father Dr. Rajesh George CMI, being the catalyst that inspired us to do our best and stand as pillar of power. Thank you, Father. Now, with the honor, I thank our Vice Principal, Reverend Father Eben CMI. He is an energetic person with positive thoughts and challenging ideas. Thank you, Father. Our sincere gratitude goes out to all the parents for your rock solid support system and encouragement. Without your support, the children would not have been able to excel. Thank you very much for joining this event. Thank you, dear parents. I would like to thank my budding rock stars who made this event a happy one with their impressive performance. All the food prepared was very delicious. Each one present enjoyed it. Finally, I thank all my colleagues for organizing this event. This type of an event cannot happen overnight. The wheels start moving about a month ago. It requires planning and a bird's eye for details. I lack of words to praise them for their participation and their willingness to complete tasks beyond their comfort zone. Thank you, dear teachers. Once again, I thank one and all.
Thank you, everyone, for your effort and support. Have a wonderful day. Happy Gauri and Ganesha Chaturthi to all of you. Thank you, everyone.